Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's a girl, your promise Breezy, and you're highly welcome to my channel. Guys, welcome to this vlog. This is a vlog and I'm here opening this vlog. I was not really ready to vlog today, but I just decided to pick up my camera now because I went to class before. I'm just coming back. I'm just coming from class, so I want to look for my powder. You know guys, I said it in my video that the other day that I was so lazy to go and get my powder for my face. So today I want to just like walk around, although I've been walking, so I've not been vlogging. I just want to start this vlog. I already got something here. I just want to start this vlog now. I don't know why, but I was not just motivated to pick up my camera since, but right now I think I'm motivated to pick up my camera. I don't know why, but I'm going to be taking you guys along, guys. I'm going to be taking you guys along right now. I already bought something. This is just a top. I tested the top and I like it, so I decided to get it. And right now I'm going to the other side where I normally buy my powder to go and check. I don't know what's happened. The other day when we passed there, I didn't see the store again. I don't know if they have locked, because all these stores, they can be so unpredictable. They will just open before you know they have locked. Most especially this coronavirus period. This period, like a lot of stores were closed. I guess because it's not easy. Maybe they don't see money to parents again. Because it's not easy. So guys, right now let me go and check again. This place is normally busy, guys, very busy, but right now it's not so busy. I guess maybe it's because the summer has not started, because this place is just tourist center. It's not really busy today though, but let me show you guys this person. This is where I normally buy my makeup. You can see they are no longer here, I guess. That is where I normally buy my makeup, but they are locked right now. I don't know why. Maybe they want to be selling other things there. I don't know. This was the top I got from the other store, so I'm trying to get a trouser for the top because I needed a trouser to wear it. This trouser I'm testing right now is Stradivarius. I like it, so it will go so well with the top, and I'm going for it. Empty hearts. This is called, let me remove my mask. Guys, this is called stress-free outing. Like, I went out alone without Owen, without pushing Carol, because I wish I was with Owen. She would have been crying ever since. And I've walked a lot today. Hola. Hola. It's almost 5 p.m. in the evening now. This is what I've got. Anyway, I'll show you guys what I got later when I get home. Not now, because I just want to shop, like enjoy myself, stress free. You know what I mean? Stress free. Please guys, I'll show you guys what I bought when I get home. Here's what I've got so far. Here's what I've got so far. I'll show you guys what I got when I get home, and I'll see you guys when I get home. Okay, anyway, I'm still in Mango. I'm still shopping. I'm still walking around. I have not finished walking till maybe like 6 p.m. today or 7 p.m. That's when I'll go home, because today, at least these few hours I spent outside walking around, I did not use it to shout like leave there, you know what I mean? So guys, I'll see you guys when I get home. My battery is showing battery low, so I'm going to stop the vlog right now, and I will see you guys when I get home to show you guys what I got from the outing I went to. Anyway, I'm using my YouTube money. I'm using my YouTube money. So I got paid on YouTube, and I have to enjoy my money. Like, I worked for it. I have to spoil myself with it. I'll see you guys when I get home.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, welcome back again. I just got home, and I'm very hungry. I only ate breakfast before I left home today, and right now I think it's past 6 p.m. I've not eaten since, so I'm very hungry, and I put something in the microwave. I'll just eat first before I'll show you guys what I got. Yeah, I'll show you guys what I got, and I think I should do a try on haul video for the first time in my channel. I've not done that before in my channel. No, I've not done a try and haul video before, so I think I might be doing it with this my new thing, with this my new clothes I bought. Yeah, I'm warming rice now. I put rice in the microwave. I'm so hungry, guys. I'm so hungry. I can't bear it anymore. I'm allergic to hunger. I'm eating grapes. Come and take one, guy. Drop my spoon. Give me my spoon. Your daddy said he gave you food. You don't want to eat. Guys, come and join me to eat my rice, my jollof rice. Are you seeing this boy? Come and join me. Boiled egg, turkey, pear, and water. I'm not drinking juice. I don't want to drink juice. Come and join me. Guys, we just came down, and my phone is very low, so I'm holding my camera, and obviously everybody's going to be looking at me in the parking. So I said it, they are already looking at me. So Owen wants to go and play in the parking that is very close to our house. The parking is just in back of our house. You see, people are normally many in this parking, so everybody is going to be looking at me with my camera, but I don't care. I don't care. That is the life of a vlogger. So Here is Owen. Owen, don't run, no. Why are you walking like that?
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get.
So guys, we just came back from the parking. We didn't even spend up to 30 minutes there. I just took him there to just play a little bit. Sand is too much in this parking that is close to our house, and there is no much things there for children to play. So tomorrow I'll be taking him to the other parking, the big parking, because I can't go there today. It's close to our former house. That place is very big, and there is a lot of things for children to play there. This one in back of this our house, there's too much sand, and there's no much things for children to play there. So I'm so tired right now. I need to rest. No, really, I've not shown you guys what I got. How can I forget that? Wait, let me show you guys what I got. Okay, it's like this place is not so bright, but there's no problem. First of all, I print some of our pictures out. Yay! I print some pictures out. This is my first time printing out some pictures like this. Owen, when Owen was with this one, since he have been playing with it, and this is me and his dad. Yeah, he have been with this picture since he's still dragging it with me. I don't know what to say in this picture. I guess he liked it so much. And here is me when I was pregnant with Owen. Yeah, I'm still going to print some other pictures out. I just use these ones for testing because I've not printed any picture out there before. This is my first time printing out picture there myself, so I'm not too used to the machine. I just wanted to try it with all this, and some of the pictures are not the size are not okay to what I wanted. But so guys, I got this is glue for frontal. Yeah, I have a frontal wig, but just because I don't have this glue, I have not been wearing it, so I just got one today. It's 4 € something. It's very cheap. So I bought this top. This top will go well with trousers, with high waist trousers. Yeah, have big arm, so this one will just cover my arm. That's why I like it also. And I also have a belt I ordered online. I will use that belt for the waist. It's so nice. I tested it in the store and it was so nice. So this, I bought this. So I got this trouser. This trouser will go so well with this top. And there's one polo I bought yesterday that my husband bought for me. It will go so well with this trouser as well. So you see, I'm going to use all of them to do a trial video for you guys. And I got my powder. Yeah, I told you guys I don't have it the other day. I got my powder, and I got this white Scottests, and I got this they said extremely lasts. So guys, I'm going to be ending this vlog here. I'm going to be ending this video here, and thank you all so much. If you stayed to this point, thank you so much. If you stayed up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. And please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. See you all in my next video. For now, bye bye.